What happens when war and nature collide in one of the most remote places on Earth? The Falkland Islands, a British overseas territory in the South Atlantic, was invaded by Argentina in 1982, sparking a 10-week war. The conflict had a profound impact on the islands and its people, but what about the environment? The war saw the introduction of non-native species, pollution from oil spills, and the destruction of habitats. The island's unique ecosystem was under threat, and the consequences are still being felt today. The war also led to the deaths of 649 Argentine, 255 British, and 3 Falkland Islander lives. The impact of the war on the islanders was significant, with many forced to flee their homes and livelihoods disrupted. The Argentine military junta, led by General Leopoldo Galtieri, had been in power since 1976, and the invasion of the Falklands was seen as a way to distract from the country's economic and social problems. The war was also fueled by a long-standing dispute over the island's sovereignty, with Argentina claiming the islands as its own. The UK, however, maintained that the islands were a British territory, and the islanders themselves were predominantly of British descent. The UK responded quickly to the invasion, sending a naval task force to the South Atlantic. The war saw the use of modern military technology, including Exocet missiles and Sea Harrier jets. The conflict was intense, with both sides suffering significant losses. The war also had a significant impact on the global community, with the UN passing Resolution 502, calling for the withdrawal of Argentine forces. The war had a devastating impact on the islanders, who were caught in the middle of the conflict. Many were forced to flee their homes, and their livelihoods were disrupted. The islanders' way of life was under threat, and the war had a lasting impact on their community. The war also led to the destruction of infrastructure, including homes, schools, and hospitals. The environmental impact of the war was significant, with oil spills and pollution affecting the island's unique ecosystem. The war also saw the introduction of non-native species, which threatened the island's native wildlife. The consequences of the war are still being felt today, with ongoing conservation efforts to protect the island's environment. The war also highlighted the need for sustainable development and environmental protection in the region. The war ended with the defeat of the Argentine military, and the islands were returned to British control. The aftermath of the war saw a significant increase in British military presence on the islands, and the establishment of a new constitution. The war also led to a period of reconciliation between the UK and Argentina, with diplomatic relations restored in 1989. The two countries have since worked together on a range of issues, including trade, tourism, and conservation. The legacy of the Falklands War continues to shape the region today. The war highlighted the importance of protecting the environment and preserving the unique ecosystem of the Falkland Islands. The war also led to a greater awareness of the need for sustainable development and environmental protection in the region. The UK and Argentina have since worked together to promote conservation and sustainable development in the South Atlantic. The war also had a significant impact on the global community, with the UN playing a key role in resolving the conflict. The war highlighted the importance of international cooperation and diplomacy in resolving conflicts peacefully. The war also led to a greater awareness of the need for disarmament and arms control, with the UK and Argentina committing to reduce their military presence in the region. In the years following the war, the Falkland Islands have undergone significant development, with a growing economy and a thriving community. The islanders have worked to rebuild their lives and their livelihoods, and the islands have become a popular tourist destination. The war also led to a greater awareness of the importance of preserving the island's unique culture and heritage. However, the war also left a lasting impact on the islanders, with many still living with the consequences of the conflict. The war highlighted the importance of providing support and compensation to those affected by conflict, and the need for ongoing reconciliation efforts. The UK and Argentina have since worked together to provide support to the islanders and to promote reconciliation in the region. The Falklands War was a complex and multifaceted conflict, with far-reaching consequences for the environment, the islanders, and the global community. The war highlighted the importance of protecting the environment, preserving unique ecosystems, and promoting sustainable development. The war also led to a greater awareness of the need for international cooperation and diplomacy in resolving conflicts peacefully. As we look to the future, it is essential that we learn from the lessons of the Falklands War. The war highlighted the importance of preserving the environment, promoting sustainable development, and protecting unique ecosystems. The war also led to a greater awareness of the need for international cooperation and diplomacy in resolving conflicts peacefully. By working together, we can promote peace, stability, and prosperity in the region. The Falklands War may be a distant memory for some, but its impact is still felt today. The war serves as a reminder of the importance of protecting the environment, preserving unique ecosystems, and promoting sustainable development. The war also highlights the need for ongoing reconciliation efforts and the importance of providing support and compensation to those affected by conflict. As we move forward, it is essential that we remember the lessons of the Falklands War and work towards a more peaceful and sustainable future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more documentaries on the untold stories of war and its impact on our world.